Are you struggling with back pain? If you are experiencing back pain, do not take it lightly because back pain is one of the most common causes that led people to seek medical care in both primary care and emergency settings. It is estimated that about $200 billion are spent annually on the management of back pain. It is the most common reason for a workman's compensation and lost work hours and productivity. However, in this video, we will help you get rid of back pain without investing your money in drugs, but by simply exercising at home. These 7 exercises can help you get rid of back pain by improving your posture and flexibility, and strengthening the muscles in your back, hips, and abdomen that support you when you are standing, sitting, or lying down. These exercises have been helpful to many people suffering from severe back pain, so why not you? Try to practice each of these exercises every day to help relieve back pain and improve your overall strength and health. Therefore, stay tuned and watch this video till the end to follow the methodology on how to perform them correctly. Also, we have a bonus tip to help you eliminate back pain even faster. If it's your first time visiting our channel, you are most welcome. Here, we help you stay fit, stay healthy, and live a healthy lifestyle. With that being said, let's get into the video. 1. Child's Pose. The Child's Pose is a restorative yoga pose that can help relieve back pain. How to do it. Step 1. To do the Child's Pose, start on all fours with your knees hip-width apart and your hands shoulder-width apart. Step 2. As you exhale, slowly lower your buttocks toward your heels and stretch your arms out in front of you. Step 3. Rest your forehead on the mat and let your entire body relax. Hold this pose for at least 30 seconds. When you are ready to come up, first push into your hands and then bring your whole body to the initial position. Then repeat the whole exercise for 3 sets. 2. Cat-cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch is a great way to get relief from back pain. The science behind it is explained by the fact that it stretches and strengthens the muscles in your back, which can help reduce pain. Plus, it's a gentle way to get started on your fitness journey if you're not used to working out because it increases flexibility. In addition, because of its slow pace and light intensity, it has less chance of injury than other exercises. How to do it. Step 1. Kneel on the floor and put your hands on the floor in front of you. Step 2. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart and your knees directly below your hips. Step 3. Inhale deeply while curving your lower back and bringing your head up, tilting your pelvis up like a cow. Step 4. Exhale deeply and bring your abdomen in, arching your spine and bringing your head and pelvis down like a cat. Repeat several times. If you have injuries or if you're concerned about exercising, consult with your healthcare provider before starting a yoga program. Before we continue, a thumbs up will be helpful. Thank you for your kindness, it means the world to us. Let's continue. 3. Downward Facing Dog. One of the most popular yoga poses, the downward facing dog, can help relieve back pain. The pose is also great for your fitness, as it strengthens your arms, shoulders, and legs. Plus, it helps improve your flexibility. Downward facing dog is easy to do at home with a few props, or you can find a class at your local yoga studio. It's best to start out slow, by holding the pose for 1 minute per day. Add this routine into your morning or evening routine 3 times a week to be relieved from back pain. An effective yoga pose for relieving chronic back and neck pain caused by sitting or tight hamstrings is downward dog. Check out this step-by-step guide for how to get it done with the correct form. How to do it. Step 1. Get down on your hands and knees. Place your hands on the floor at shoulder width, shoulder above your wrists. Make sure the bottom of your shoulder aligns with your index finger. Your hip should be at a height equal to or higher than your knees. Step 2. Raise your knees. Next, rest your toes against the mat or ground. Use that leverage to bring your legs up, lifting both knees at the same time into the air. You should now resemble an upside-down V shape. Step 3. Extend and lengthen your spine, press through the palms of your hands and the soles of your feet. Pull your pelvis up towards the ceiling by using the triceps in your upper arms to help you. Some yoga teachers instruct you to do what is known as yoga shoulders, in which you slide your shoulder blades down your back, while others instruct you to move your joints outside of your body to better support them. Step 4. Hold for a second and let go. Keep your posture stable by concentrating on your breathing and slowly bringing your knees back to the floor to end this pose. Alternatively, you can use this position to transition into another pose. 4. Seated twist. The seated twist is a great way to reduce back pain. When you twist, it helps to lengthen the spine and decompress the vertebrae. This in turn can help to take pressure off of the nerves. Plus, twisting also helps to massage the internal organs, which can improve their function. The science behind this exercise is explained by the fact that when you twist, it lengthens the spine and decompresses the vertebrae. This in turn can help reduce back pain or even get rid of it. How to do it? Step 1. Begin by sitting down on your mat, legs extended in front of you and hands resting on your thighs. Step 2. Bend your right knee and place your foot next to your left thigh. Sitting cross-legged can feel like you're in a very tight position. Step 3. Bend your left knee and place your left ankle next to your right hip. Keep your right foot on the ground. Stay square by facing directly forward. Step 4. Place your right hand behind your back and touch the floor with your fingertips while gently twisting your body to the right. Point your left arm straight up. Step 5. Hook your left arm around your right knee, which is bent. Relax your breath and body, then exhale as you twist further to the right. As you exhale, continue to twist to the right. To finish, come out of the pose and repeat on the other side. 5. Low lunge or hip flexor stretches. The low lunge is a great exercise for those who suffer from back pain. It helps to stretch and strengthen the muscles in the back, hips, and legs. Plus, it can help improve your flexibility and range of motion. As an added bonus, the low lunge can also help to relieve stress and tension. How to do it? Step 1. To do the low lunge, start in a standing position with your feet hip-width apart. Take a big step forward with your right foot and lower your left knee to the ground. Step 2. Keep your right knee directly over your right ankle and sink your hips down toward the floor. You should feel a stretch in your left hip and thigh. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute before switching sides. 6. Cobra pose. One of the best exercises for reducing back pain is the cobra pose. This pose stretches and strengthens the muscles in your back, which can help relieve pain. Plus, it's a great way to reduce stress and improve your flexibility. How to do it? Step 1. Lie down in a prone position. Lie face down on your mat with your entire body extended. Press your legs and the tops of your feet firmly into the yoga mat and bring your legs to a hip's width distance. Step 2. Bring your hands facing down directly underneath your shoulder blades and prepare to lift your upper body and head. Step 3. Begin to lift your upper body. Press through the hands to lift the upper body and first come into a low cobra. Ensure that you are not pressing too much weight in your hands because you want to focus on strengthening the lower back muscles to lift gently. Step 4. Use your back and abdominal muscles to lift as high as you comfortably can into a deeper back bend. Continue breathing comfortably in and out through the nose. Keep your shoulder blades back and down as you draw your chest forward. You do not have to remain completely static in this posture, you can undulate and ride like a serpent. Step 5. Lower down gently and exhale as you lower down to the ground. 7. Supine spinal twist. This is a great exercise to do first thing in the morning or at night before bed. It is very effective when it comes to relieving back pain. How to do it? Step 1. Lie on your back with both knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Step 2. Slowly let your knees fall to one side while keeping your shoulders and head on the ground. Hold for 30 seconds, then slowly return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. This exercise helps stretch the muscles and ligaments in your back and can help eliminate back pain. Now, we have a bonus tip for you guys suffering from chronic back pain for weeks, months, or even years. Don't worry. We have the solution to your problems here. Click the first 3 links in the description box below. Associate these back pain relief programs to these exercises to get effective results in no time, we promise you that. Check it out now. With that being said, tell us in the comments which exercise you perform to relieve back pain at home, we are eager to know. Also, share this video with someone who might be suffering from severe back pain, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching.